Hey, what's up all you Taboholics? This is Paul here, aka Paulabusa, back with another video. Now guys, if you live in a HDB apartment like myself, chances are you're gonna have a dish rack just like mine behind. It's embedded in a cupboard. There is a door, and in the last episode we fixed the hydraulics of the door, which is this one here. Now we're gonna change the whole rack itself. Naturally, if you use your dish rack for a couple of years, gunk is gonna accumulate, it's gonna rust, it's gonna have some dirt, it's gonna be unsightly, and you will think about changing it. Naturally, you think that you need to get the exact size, customized to your cupboard, and so on and so forth, but you don't really have to. There is a range that you can work with, and all you need is just the measurements of your cupboard and just buy it off the rack. And installation is so easy, you can do it yourself, don't have to engage a contractor. And if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. Now naturally, for something like that, you would think that there is bolts and nuts holding onto the rack to secure it, but there isn't. The installation, this assembly is so easy. You don't even need a screwdriver. The very first thing that you need to do is actually get your measuring tape right here and measure the width of your cupboard itself. So mine measures about 76 cm, and with that, I gone ahead and bought a rack from Taobao, link down below. With the measurements, I got the rack that fits a cabinet from 73 cm to 85 cm. It came with a hammer and some fittings. You don't have to use the fittings, so just chuck it aside. With that, we're gonna actually remove the rack itself. If you look here closely, this is actually a hole that is poked into a hole, and you just have to remove it to remove the whole rack itself. So we're gonna remove all the cups, and we're gonna disassemble the whole thing. Before that, let me just show you the gunk that is accumulated. The tray itself is disgusting. Yeah, so this is the existing condition of the tray. You won't actually notice it until you actually go up and look down, and you will see how bad is it. So this is the condition right now. So check this out. Dirt is transferred to your mugs and cups gradually. If you leave them there for some time, the dirt is gonna be stuck on your mug. So right now I'm gonna show you how to remove this. There are like 8 of these, and you just gotta remove them one by one. It's very simple. So it didn't work from that side, so I'm gonna try the opposite end. Yep. And that's basically it. You just gotta pull it out, and yeah, pull out. Gonna do the other side. Now both sides are out. You just gotta remove it. So the bottom is out, and same thing. We're gonna apply the same method for the top. Just pull, and both sides are out. So once one side is out, just gotta yank out the whole tray and then just pull out the other side. And that's it. We've got the whole tray out, and now we're gonna install the new tray. So this is the new one. We're gonna start with the top first. Again, it works the same way. You just gotta push this through the holes, and that's about it. Top done, easy, few minutes job. This is the bottom. It comes with the tray and the rack itself. So yeah, gonna remove the tray and install the rack first. Put one side in first, then slot in the other side. Alright guys, with that we're done. Easy, 5-10 minutes job. And with that, I spent about $20 on the rack itself. I paid $8 for shipping from Easy Buy. So plus minus, maybe I spent 30 bucks just to get this rack, and it's so cheap, it's easily done, don't have to engage a contractor. I hope this helps you out. So with that, we've come to the end of the video. If you like this video, if this video helped you install your own rack, give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is Paul here. I will see you in the next video. Signing off. Ciao.